Hello, welcome to Unisport Learning Made Easy. In today's talk, we will talk about different types of the skeletal system based on their nature and their existence. The rigid skeleton contains the rigid tissues like bones and cartilage. They provide the anchor points for the pair of the opposing muscles from where they attach to the muscles and move and change the direction of the force exerted by the muscles and hence enabling the animal to move easily and locomote properly. They also provide protection and support to the animal body by encasing the major vital organs, like we discussed earlier, and they can be present within the animal body or outside the animal body. If they are present outside the animal body, they can be called as exoskeleton, as an example of the exoskeleton of the insects, the shells, bony shells of the turtles, the bony plates of the placodermi, which are present outside the animal body, or the cutaneous exoskeleton of the arthropods. And they can also be present, these hard tissues, if they are present within the animal body, they are called endoskeleton, like present in the tetrapods or in echinoderms in the form of some calcareous plates, or in the cnidarians, which has the spicules and spikes within their structure, and some sponges as well, which have which have the network of the mineralized tissues in the form of a net or a web. All right, let's discuss them in detail. The external rigid covering of the animal body is called exoskeleton, and it has a major drawback that it limits the animal growth. And if the animal has to grow, it has to shed its older skin and produce a new skin, as in the form as we have seen in insects. But some animals have come up with a solution that they grow their external exoskeleton with their life, and hence they don't have to shed it like the shell of a snail. Similarly, some animals have evolved to produce some specialized materials for the extra protection of their exoskeleton. Like in insects, they produce chitin, um, which makes their skin more, which makes their which which makes their exoskeleton less permeable to the water losses, and more rigid and strong to provide skeletal support as well. Similarly, some of the cephalopods or similarly, some of the gastropods have secreted calcium carbonate in their epidermis that results into the formation of the shell, which provides the extra protection to their internal body tissues.